Meaning of diffract.
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 Diffract. Diffract refers to the bending or spreading of waves, such as light or sound waves, as they pass through a small opening or around an obstacle. The result of diffraction is the formation of a pattern of light or dark areas, known as an interference pattern, which can be observed on a screen or surface beyond the obstacle. This phenomenon is often used in various fields, including physics, engineering, and optics, to study the properties of waves and to create intricate patterns and designs.